Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X3 SuperZoom, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's find and select the settings. Then let's scroll down and find language and region. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got the region. So let's click on that and select something, for example, Colombia. And now let's choose the language. And here we've got the full list of available languages which you can use. And let me choose, for example, maybe French. Okay, if you are ready, simply click on Done. Your device will ask you again if you want to change system language, so click on Change, and you have to draw unlock pattern to confirm it. If you get back, now you can see that everything went very good and we've just changed the system language. If you want to change it back to English, simply recreate all steps. So the language, click on English, draw the pattern, and here you are. That's all. This is how you change the system language in REALME X3 SuperZoom. And thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.